Hello viewers, welcome. This video is about unboxing Pink Gellac that I ordered online. I paid the €70 just for the starting kit. This pack I buy it separately. For €10 you have polish block, nail wheel, 3 pieces orange wood stick, nail file, 50 pieces Lux nail wipes. That is Bella, and she's cute and always beside me. This orange wood stick is to push back the cuticles or clean the fingernails. Nail file, shape the edge of your nails. The last one that included in the pack is a Lux nail wipes. It's 50 pieces nail wipes. Yes, it's free! Magazine edition January 2020. I like free. This is the most exciting moment to open this starting kit. Thank you so much, guys. Brenda, Jennifer, Merlin, Lucy, Sari, Yasuko, for this gift. I'm so happy with your gifts. 267 Sunset Orange Lollipop Collection. 117 Night Blue. My next video I put all my nail color to this nail wheel. 228 Creamy Mauve Uncovered Dre Collection. 237 Pearly Pink Vintage Chic Collection. I find it good investment. This gel polish is in right now. Exciting what is inside the box. This is charger. $109 lipstick red. This include in the starting kit. I'm a big fan of the Ultra Shine Top Coat, great product. This lid lamp is magical. For 60 seconds or 1 minute, this can dry your nail polish, and it lasts 14 days. First your 4 nails and then 2 thumbs for drying. What I like about this product is a good quality, easy to apply, and a lot of beautiful colors. forget to like my Facebook page and follow me in Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Topi!